All right, we're going to use some of our multiplication and division with fraction skills by doing some replacements into expressions. All right, there's not an equal sign here. We're supposed to evaluate the expression xy. Then we're going to turn around and evaluate the expression x divided by y. So we've got two problems to do. xy, we're going to plug in. That's 7/8, which is x, times negative 1/3, which is y. Probably the author of the book would use parentheses. We don't have to. All right, can I bow tie anything? No. Positive times negative is negative. 7/24. That is the value of xy under these conditions. How about x divided by y? Well, we're going to have 7/8 divided by negative 1/3. We do keep, change, flip, and when we flip it stays negative. Still no bow tie, I don't believe. So positive times negative is negative. 7 times 3 is 21/8. All right, so I have two completely different problems that I was supposed to evaluate. All right, let's look at the ones in your exercises. You have 3 of them. Each one of them does have the 2 parts. So for the first one, I have x times y, which is 5/7 times 14/3. It's multiplication. Can I bow tie? Yes. 7 goes into itself once. 7 goes into 14 2 times. Don't think there's anything else I can do, and I end up with 10/3. Second part of the problem, I have x divided by y. I'm just evaluating these expressions. So I have 5/7 divided by 14/3. Keep, change, flip. 5/7 times 3/14. But this time, I don't believe now that it's multiplication, there's anything I can bow tie. So I end up with 5 times 3 is 15. Oh, that's messy. 15 over, and 7 times 14 is going to give me, I believe, 98. And there's no common factor. Those are my 2 answers. One multiplication and one division. All right. Let's look at this one. We have xy. So I have negative 7/3 times 15/13. I will see if I can bow tie. Yes. 3 goes into 3 once. 3 goes into 15 5 times. I don't think there's anything else. Negative times positive is negative. That's going to give me 35/13. That's the answer to the product. Then it asked me to evaluate x divided by y. So it's negative 7/3 divided by 15/13. Keep, change, flip, and I don't believe there's anything I can bow tie this time. So negative times positive is negative. 7 times 13 gives me, I believe, 91. And 3 times 15 gives me 45. And I'm done. Well, this last one's a little bit different. It says determine whether the given replacement value is a solution of the equation. It doesn't ask me to solve the equation. It says if you have 3x equal to negative 2/7, is this a solution? Well, let's see. Is 3 times negative 2/21 a solution? In other words, is this a true statement or not? That's a question right now. So let's look over here. Put the 3/1. Can you bow tie? Yes. 3 goes into itself once. 3 goes into 21 7 times. What does that leave me with? 1 times negative 2 is negative 2, and it's over 7. And this side is negative 2 over 7. So they are equal, and the answer is yes. That's a slightly different use of a replacement value. Okay, now you do your homework problems.